See, the gold has worn off, so you can still see, and that's it only wore off after a few weeks. So that's one thing you have to look out for when getting these fake gold watches. They will wear out eventually. So if you rather probably get just the stainless steel silver tone ones, but this is still nice though. The only thing about these mechanical pocket watches is there's no way to open it, so once it dies or breaks, you're pretty much screwed unless you remove the glass. These kind of, it feels almost like plastic glass front, acrylic glass, I guess. You'd basically have to break it or pop this open to fix it. So, but the cost of fixing it will probably be more than the watch itself. This watch only cost me 23 bucks, but you can actually get them for even cheaper. You see them selling for 18 Canadian with free delivery. So yeah, but I've always wanted a pocket watch, mechanical one especially, so this is cool.